Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing with your best friend Scott. So today we're checking out the DustKiller. So guys, this looks really awesome, and I got this because, well, you know what? I bet a lot of you guys have never thought about this. Have you ever thought about that you're actually supposed to clean out all your connection ports? So for your charging your phone and for other connections, for your tablets and so forth, even your laptops and your computer, you're supposed to clean them out. So that's what we got this for. And this is to clean out all of your ports. So check this out. This is it. Looks like a little UFO. And you just pull, wow. So it looks like there's multiple, here's your cleaning brush. You pull that out. Let's see. It's almost like a game here. You got another one. You got another type cleaning brush. So you got all these different cleaning brushes. We're going to show you guys up close each brush. So stay tuned. But yeah, I mean, you have all these different ports and all these different brushes. Very nice. There is the cleaning solution they give you. DustKiller. Nice cleaning solution for your tips, cleaning cloth, as well as a user manual. Place some of this solution on our brush. Just kind of dip it in there, place it. You don't have to use a lot for your cleaning brush. And that's it. You just place it on, pop that back on. And now we're going to go ahead and put this on here to lock it in place. Now we go and clean. And you just clean your contacts inside with the cleaning solution. Oh man, that's dirty. So just like this, you clean it up, go over your contacts. I mean, it was blue and it turned black now. So this is a good way to keep your phones working longer. Just kind of scrape along. Make sure you need to read the manual completely. So before you do this. We first scraped and got any loose debris out, and then we put the solution. You don't put the solution on until you do the first method. And there we go. Wow. All right, so now that is done. All right, guys, we're done. It does work. You can even see on a cleaning cloth, got some black gunk off even at the end. Overall, yeah, it works. Guys, these are the different ends that they give you. So this is just storage for your different ends. Once you have it in, you go ahead and lock it in place, and now you're good to go. Now stick it in your phone.